Welcome to the 156th episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. We have already covered the 8 basic emotions: anger, sadness, fear, disgust, surprise, anticipation, trust, and joy. Let us see some more emotions. Emotion, as already pointed out, it's a kind of a feeling, sensation. Sensation comes from senses. That is the 5 senses which are perceiving some physical activity and then trying to send signals to the faculties. So it is the outermost layer of our energy spectrum. The emotional energy is the outermost layer. So next emotion is panic. Panic is an uncontrolled fear that is led to that leads to panic, the state of panic. Now, fear already covered in the basic emotion list. Fear is the 2 reasons to the fear to engulf. The one reason is that the spreading of the shadow of the illusion or Maya. The second reason is the not having sufficient courage to express or to confess the mistake that has been made, and to cover up that mistake 100 more mistakes are been committed, and this leads to a vicious cycle that gets out of proportion, and that leads to the fear. So these are the 2 reasons for the fear to engulf. So this aspect of uncontrollable fear, as already discussed, is illusion and a cover up of mistakes. So that is clearly a mismatched state. And fear, excessive fear, uncontrolled fear, the panic, so-called the panic, leads to palpitations sometimes. That means excessive heart beatings, and this is the result that the cycle of the faculties, the order of the faculties has gone out of control, and faculties are disjointed from the soul on one side and from the senses on the other side. And the excessive fear, the uncontrolled fear, is primarily due to the two faculties of discretion and personality, that is the fire element and earth element, only communicating with each other. Rest of the chain is lost. So it's only fire and earth communicating with each other. That leads to palpitations. So remaining chain is broken. So that is called excessive uncontrollable fear and panic. So connected to this emotion of fear, panic, is fearless. Fearlessness is also an emotion. It is being bold, courageous, and while the fear is a cycle, is a circle that is in a mismatched state, a diminishing circle. of matched state and an augmented circle in the mismatched state, that is fear, and further leads to panic. While fearlessness is augmented circle that is growing in size in a matched state, where all the faculties, the senses, and the soul are connected to each other. That is fearlessness. And determination is also connected to this. Determination means a firm decision has been made to continue a confident decision is made, a firm decision is being made, and decision making portfolio is discretion. So determination comes from a discretion vessel that is operating at its peak, fully proportionate in the karmacharana cycle. So that is the determination. So remaining emotions we'll discuss in the next episodes. Let us move on. Next nama in the list is Paschyanti, the ascent of para transforming into the descent. The Rajoguna strength of the harmony energy of Sivasikta Samarasya through the nama para traversed easterly direction and was controlled, and it was able to reach the peak of ascent or arohana through Pratyakshiti Rupa. Subsequently, the direction is changed and descent has started. Direction is changed because there is a counterbalance, and the descent has started. Descent or avarohana has started. The easterly progression of wavefront is the ascent, and it was dictated by para. The peak of the ascent determined by Pratyakshiti Rupa. The strength of descent or avarohana dictated by Paschyanti. Paschima or westerly wavefront is originated from Paschyanti, while Purva is originated from Para. Paschima is originated from Paschyanti. The strength of Panchabrahma Sambhavi training, to what extent will spread, is determined by Paschyanti. Ascent, descent, the cycle of ascent and descent of a wavefront has been completed with this nama Paschyanti. Through the nama Paschyanti, Bhavaranya Kutarika re-enters planet Earth. In a scripture known as Saubhagya Subhodaya, Pasyati Sarvam Swatmani Karananam Narani Mapi Yaduttirna Tene Yam Pasyanti Tirne Chapyudhiryate Mata. Next nama is Paradevata. The energy harmony nourishment of Sivasikta Samarasya to the wavefront after completion of one cycle. So after completion of one cycle, the wavefront, the strength may have diminished. So there is a need for replenishment of the nourishment, and that is given by Paradevata. This nama is like a signal booster. As the strength of a traveling wavefront diminishes, it needs a boosting. These are what is known as repeaters in technical terms. So Paradevata is a repeater. Para is the strength of Rajoguna wavefront in easterly direction, reaching a peak. The control and balancing of easterly wavefront determined through Pratyakshiti Rupa. The commencement of descent. The control is happening through the commencement of descent or avarohana. The strength of wavefront in descent mode on the peak of descent is determined by Paschanti. The energy that was generated through the rotation of Muladhara Chakra, releasing a wavefront which completes a complete cycle of ascent and descent, Arohana. The end of one cycle terminating in Heart Chakra. The wavefront that was originated. So let us see how this happens. So the wavefront that was originated in Muladhara, the ascent of this wavefront covers up to Swadhisthana. That is, Para is covering up to from Muladhara till Swadhisthana in easterly direction. The descent wavefront is covering from Swadhisthana till Anahata. That is, Pratyakshiti Rupa is reaching the peak, and Paschanti goes from the west in a westerly direction from Swadhisthana till Anahata Chakra, and it stops. One cycle is completed after reaching Anahata. So among the 7 Kundalini chakras, Anahata is the midpoint. It was mentioned it is the fastest responding chakra among the 7 Kundalini chakras. So therefore it is a right place for the nourishment or replenishment of the energy because it is fastest responding. So depending on how the wave further traverses, so the nourishment can be given through this Anahata chakra. That's why one cycle is completed after terminating at Anahata chakra, and a replenishment is given through Paradevata. So while Para is exhibition of this energy in Rajogunas, Pratyakshiti Rupa is a Tamoguna nourishment. Then Paschanti is the westerly direction of fire elements and Tamogunas. Now Paradevata provides nourishment of all the 3 Sattva, Raja, Tamogunas, depending on what is the next course of action for the wavefront. Wavefront can take that particular nourishment and move forward. So what kind of wavefront is this? All the forms of waves, including acoustics, the speech synthesis, etc. of the Kalyana individual. Through this Nama, Paradevata, Bhadrapriya, re-enters planet Earth. Para Utkushta Chasau, Devita Cha Paradevata, Veda Shastramayi Vani, Yasya Sa Paradevata. With this Nama, this sloka is completed. Para Pratyakshiti Rupa Paschanti Paradevata. What does it mean? We'll explore in the next episode. Thank you.